my channel. We have another video in the car. This video is going to be the $100 shopping challenge, husband versus wife. So we're here at the mall again, and this week we each are going to have $100 to spend on baby clothes. This is the baby clothes edition.
What is the goal? Is the goal to have the cutest clothes, or to have like the most amount of clothes for the under $100, or like
I think it's just to see what we can
the one
find.
best piece for $100?
No,
or what?
we need to figure out if tax counts. Like, does the actual total of
has to
everything
be
have to
under
be 100 or less? So tax counts?
I think so. It'll be
Okay.
easier to add, you know?
You can go to as many stores as you want. Another rule, you have to get, I think, at least 5 items. The
Okay.
complete total has to be $100 or
Okay.
less.
Okay.
So let's say you have to spend at least like 95. Like, the goal is to spend 100.
Okay.
To make it interesting, I think that we should only have 30 minutes.
30 minutes. That's
Yeah.
easy.
Is that all the rules that we need?
That's all the rules. Let's go.
All right, we'll set timers when we get into the mall. All right, we are in the mall. Timer's out.
Ready, set, go.
Wait, did mine go?
When?
Okay, I'm going. I'm nervous. Guys, I actually think this is gonna be so hard. I really do. My plan is to go to Zara. They have really good prices, and then I don't know if there's an H&M in this mall. I really hope there is. I'm gonna have to like find a map and see, but I really wanna go. Oh wait, this is literally a kid's store. Right here. Kids.
All right, so I made it to my store in under a minute, and my first store that I'm coming to is Gap Kids. There's a lot of cute looking stuff, so I think that I actually scored big with this. Wow, that's 30 bucks. 30 bucks for one thing. This is the sale. I might need to be digging into here. Oh, these are cute actually. Aspyn would like these. 20 bucks.
Zara always has the cutest stuff. Heading back to like the baby section. Our baby actually already has a lot of stuff from here. Like, she has this. Oh, she has that. I might need to like shop the sale section. Okay, I feel like I'm finding cute stuff, but everything is like too expensive for this challenge. I don't know what to do. Okay, just realized this section is 50% off. Trying to find something. I have, oh, this one's gonna fall off. Oh, they're both falling off. Awesome.
That's cool.
When did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it?
Super cheap, and I'm gonna get it.
Okay, so I have 3 items from here. I really thought it was gonna be like a life hack to come in here because their prices are so good. But when you're doing a $100 challenge, prices are not so great. So I have 3 things. Added up the total, it's like $47.70 or something. So, yeah. Okay, got my stuff. Somehow I did my math wrong because I thought it was gonna be like 47 without tax, and total it was 45. So, ooh, H&M. Okay, down that way. Okay, last time I looked at my phone, I had 18 minutes left, so I thought I had more time, and now I only have like 11. I do not know how I spent 20 minutes in there.
Pulling you in closer to me. Yeah, I lost you.
Okay, so H&M has a lot of options. I have a lot of things to pick from. I think I might get her. She doesn't really have a lot of like pajamas, so I want to get something like that we actually like need, because she already has a lot of clothes. We're gonna see. These are good leggings. These are probably pretty inexpensive. Ooh, buy 2 get 1 free. Ooh.
I finished up in Gap Kids spending $30. I have $70 to spend, and I think that Zara is gonna be the place that I spend it. I've also burned through half my time, so I've got to pick up my speed. I'm pretty sure we have all this stuff. We have this. We have too many clothes for her already. This is hard. Alright, so I just finished up in Zara, and I ended up spending $76 on, I think, 4 things. They're not all clothes. I got some things that I thought Aspyn wouldn't have got. There's 2 minutes left on the clock. I hit my limit, so now I'm just gonna hang out. I might actually go do some shopping for myself, but we'll see. I think I did it. I think I win.
Okay guys, I have quite a few things in my pile. I think I literally probably have like 2 minutes left in here. Let me see. 36 seconds. Okay, literally heading down to check out right now. Gotta add all these up.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines underneath your bed.
Okay, so we are back in the car.
Yeah.
How do you think that you did?
I don't know.
I thought this was actually so hard. Then I had a situation at the checkout. I had a big pile of stuff and I was gonna add it all up, and then my timer was like done. So I was like, okay, so I think just like this and this and this, and I hurried and added some. I was like, okay, I think I'm good. And then I had like a certain little thing that I'll show as like an extra if I had extra money. So he like checks everything out and tells me the total. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's only like $90 that I've spent. So yeah, let's throw in this thing. And I'm like, okay, cool. And then he's like, wait, and he like goes through everything again, and it turns out he missed something. So I'm like 15, 20 bucks over.
I went over the budget by $4.
All right, well, we're gonna have to just evaluate.
So basically
we failed the challenge. We're gonna go home and see what we got.
All right, let's go home.
This was really hard though.
It was hard.
Okay, so we're back home. We're gonna show you guys what we got. So first, let's start with Zara. So how much did you spend?
So in Zara, I spent $76.93.
I spent $45.88. You said that you went in there and picked expensive stuff.
Yeah, I picked like more expensive looking things because I only had 15 minutes left, and I was like, crap, I gotta hurry.
So I win the challenge because I didn't mean to go over. Tucker did.
What?
Oh my gosh.
So I got this
Are
hat.
you kidding me?
This was $12.90, okay? And I also got this.
That's cute.
Cute?
How much is that one?
This was...
That looks like an expensive one. I feel like 22 or more.
$19.50.
Oh,
This
that's
was
not like
$19.50.
too bad. She already has that one.
Ah, see, I knew it. I knew she had something like this.
That hat.
And this is $12.90.
Okay. I love
So
hats
that's
like these for
like
babies.
right around $60. I
got
thought
one like this.
it would be.
Yeah. So did you add it all up before and then just like
In my head, I just briefly.
in your head? See, that's where you went wrong.
No, I did. I just didn't. Did you add in tax when you were adding it up?
No, but I knew I had enough of a buffer. For the
Okay,
tax.
No, obviously not, because you went way over budget.
Because
so.
the guy didn't scan the thing.
Nope.
Okay, this is what I got. I got her this cutest little baby tank top. So this one was $19.90. So tiny. This is for like 6 to 9 months, and I feel like that is so small.
Yeah, that is a cute one.
And then I also got her these leggings. These were on the sale rack, so it said
Oh.
$9.90, but I don't know if they were actually. Oh no, they were $9.90
$9.90. Those are cute though.
And then I also got her this one, which I didn't love, but it was $12.90. I was trying to stick in the budget. Got her 2 tops and a pair of leggings for $45.88.
That's everything you got?
That's everything I got. Yeah.
Nice. I did go into Gap first, which
Okay, and you said there was cheap stuff. When
there was
you were-
really cheap stuff, but I don't think you're gonna think any of it's cute. It's pretty just basic stuff, but
Okay.
it was cheap.
Yeah.
Right, and that was my idea. Was like, oh, I'm gonna get a lot for cheap. It was just like a shirt,
okay. That's
a
not
long
bad.
sleeve shirt, right? $5.
Oh, nice.
Cheap, huh?
Okay. Are
Okay,
those
look at
pants?
these pants.
Oh wait, those are cute, and those are so soft.
And
How much
those were $14.99.
Okay, that's not bad.
And then I got this.
Oh, that one's not my favorite. That one's
Yeah.
like a cheesy one, but I also got a cheesy one.
Yeah,
too.
okay. I just thought, we don't have very many like new born clothes, like early.
That is
early.
huge though.
It's 0 to 3 months.
I know, but that
is
looks
big.
so big.
Yeah, but this one was also really cheap. It was only $7.99.
So you went in there and shopped like the clearance section.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, except for this one.
Oh.
This
so
one I
cute.
saw that was like the not on the clearance rack. That
okay.
it was $19.95.
Okay. In H&M, I found a ton of stuff. This is the first thing that I got.
What is this for our 4-year-old daughter? when
No,
she turns
these are
4?
9 to 12 months.
Holy!
But these were on sale for $14.99.
That's a good
So
deal.
that's not too bad. Then I also got her another yellow thing. I was also in so much of a rush, didn't have time to calculate in my head like if the size we got will make sense for like the season. I think this would, so it was like springtime, so this will be good. So I got her this little yellow dress. So that one was $14.99 too. And then this one I got, because we don't have any PJs. These are like super cheesy baby PJs.
They are. I almost got something that was basically this same exact
really?
print. You'll see it in the footage.
Oh, okay. I only got it because it says Mummy and Me Forever.
Oh.
So these are like really, it's like a PJ set. But I got the smallest size because we literally don't have like any PJs for her yet. So this is 0 to 1 month. But it comes with a shirt, pair of pants, hat, a onesie, a little like PJ onesie thing. So I feel like it was a pretty good deal. So this was $25.
$25?
So you get a lot of stuff. This is what I had.
Oh, that's similar to the thing I got.
Yeah, I love those hats for babies.
This one's super nice too and like lightweight.
So I was gonna take everything I just showed and then I had this in my hand for like if I had extra money. And then at the end I had like so much extra money. So I was like, oh yeah, like throw this in here. And that's when he was like, oh wait, I missed one. And I just didn't want to cause a scene at the checkout to recalculate it all.
Oh my gosh.
Since the timer had run out, I felt like I just already failed anyways because I was checking out after the 30 minutes. Okay, so let's add up our receipts and see like the total actual amount of what we spent. 112.
That isn't that much over.
That
You said you were like $15 to $20 over.
Because I didn't know because it was like last minute.
So mine was 107.37. So I won.
We both failed.
But I won because I was closest.
Alright.
Woohoo!
Well, we tried. We really did. Comment down below who you think the winner was. Also, let us know if you guys want to see any other challenges or videos from us, and we will do those for you guys. So we hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys next week.
Bye
Bye guys.